dreams are the compass that will guide you to a life of purpose, fulfillment, and happiness. Your dreams are more than mere fantasies. They are the blueprints of your potential and the guide for your future. They hold the remarkable ability to shape your destiny, drive innovation, and inspire change. Why are dreams so important? Think about the Wright brothers, who turned a dream of flight into reality, or Martin Luther King Jr., whose dream ignited a movement for equality. Dreams will fuel your determination, push you beyond limits, and propel you toward greatness. So, embrace your dreams, harness its power, and watch as your aspirations create a profound impact on both your life and the world around you. Each one of us carries within our hearts a unique vision, a calling that ignites our soul and fuels our passions. Your dreams possess the power to shape your destiny. As you dare to dream, you will encounter skepticism, both from others and from yourself. We are told to be realistic and practical, to choose the path that promises stability rather than uncertainty. But history has shown that the greatest achievements were born from dreams that defied convention. Imagine if Thomas Edison had given up after a few failed attempts, or if Rosa Parks hadn't decided to stay in her seat. The world would be a different place. Following your dreams isn't just about achieving success. It's about growth and self-discovery. It's about embracing challenges, learning from your failures, and rising stronger. The journey towards your dreams may be filled with setbacks, but each obstacle is an opportunity for learning and resilience. It's in these moments that you will find the true measure of your determination and courage. Pressure from society and your own self-doubts will often make you suppress your dreams, settling for a life that doesn't align with your authentic self. But let me remind you that your dreams are worth pursuing, no matter how big or small they may seem. They are the essence of who you are, and when you follow them, you inspire others to do the same. To follow your dreams, you must first believe in yourself. Cultivate self-confidence and trust in your abilities. Surround yourself with people who support and uplift you, and be open to seeking guidance from those who have walked a similar path. The journey will not be easy, so remember that it's okay to start small. Take one step at a time, and don't be afraid to adjust your course along the way. Success rarely follows a straight line, and detours can lead to unexpected amazing opportunities. Embrace the process, and don't be disheartened by the inevitable challenges that come your way. Don't let fear of failure stop you of even trying. Failure is not a dead end. It's a stepping stone towards success. Embrace it, learn from it, and use it as fuel to drive you forward. Believe in your resilience. Setbacks are temporary, but the strength you gain from overcoming them is enduring. As you pursue your dreams, remember that your journey is unique. Avoid the trap of comparing yourself to others and focus on your progress. Your path may differ from others, and that's what makes it special. Lastly, never forget the impact of perseverance. Dreams may take time to materialize, but persistent effort, determination, and an unwavering belief in yourself will propel you closer to your goal, and you will get there. Embrace your dreams with open arms and wholeheartedly pursue them. Let your dreams be the force that pushes you beyond your limits and ignites a passion within you. By following your dreams, you inspire others to chase their own aspirations, creating a ripple effect of positive change in the world. Enjoy the journey, learn from the ups and downs, and never stop reaching for the stars. Remember, it is through dreaming that we pave the way to a brighter, bolder future. Let them guide you to a life of purpose, fulfillment, and happiness. Dreams have extraordinary power. They are the seeds of possibility, the visions that ignite our souls. So never stop dreaming and dare to make those dreams a reality.